I, Pooja Modgil, is back with your monthly dose of RS News. Here we have the news of April month. Our top stories are: celebrating wellness, RS Model Senior Secondary School marks World Health Day with zest and enthusiasm. The school immerses in celebrations on RS March Foundation Day. Celebrating vibrant Baisakhi, RS Model Senior Secondary School premises radiates with joy and enthusiasm. Devotion unleashed as the school marks Ram Navami with zest and fervor. RS School sparks environmental awareness on World Earth Day. Celebrating JEE Mains triumph, 5 RS students proceeded towards JEE Advanced level. Embracing innovation, the school adopts interactive learning panels. Under Jal Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain initiative by Indian government, water conservation fortnight observed in RS Model Senior Secondary School. Now the news in detail. On 6th April, RS Senior Secondary School observed World Health Day. Aiming to spotlight healthcare inequalities and champion equitable health outcomes, the school chemistry club organized a quiz competition drawing enthusiastic participation from students of class 6 to 12. Following a spirited contest, Principal Dr. Sanjeev Chandel led the initiative My Health, My Right by guiding students towards understanding everyone's entitlement to the factors like education, clean water, fresh air, proper nutrition, healthcare, and information. On 9th April, the Arya Kumar and Kumari Sabha of RS Model Senior Secondary School celebrated RS March Foundation Day. Students captivated the audience with a beautiful poem, a speech that highlighted the ideals of Swamiji. The music department further mesmerized attendees with enchanting hymns. Principal blessed the students and extended congratulations on RS March's establishment day. He also urged the students to integrate the teachings of Maharishi Dayanand Ji into their daily lives, encouraging them to uphold the values espoused by RS March. On 12th April, RS Model Senior Secondary School embraced the spirit of Baisakhi with aiming to uphold and honor Punjab's rich culture. The school organized a vibrant cultural function that saw enthusiastic participation from both teachers and students. The spotlight was, however, captured by the rhythmic beats of the dhol and Punjabi music, creating an energetic atmosphere. Principal blessed the students and commended the teachers for orchestrating a well-rounded event that promoted cultural awareness and unity within the school community. On 16 April, RS Model Senior Secondary School immersed itself in the joyous celebration of Ram Navami. Embracing the occasion with reverence and enlightenment, the festivities commenced with a special assembly where students showcased a cultural program brimming with devotion and learning. Adding to the cultural extravaganza, the girls' mesmerizing dance performance left the audience spellbound. Principal, in his address, emphasized the significance of embodying the values exemplified by Lord Rama and encouraged the students to uphold truth and justice in their lives. On 22nd April, Swami Dayanand Eco Club of RS Senior Secondary School ignited a spirit of environmental consciousness and sustainability among students as they fervently observed World Earth Day through the recital of thematic poems and speeches. A captivating enactment of environmental protection by students stole the show. Furthermore, Mrs. Meenakshi Seth, in charge Eco Club, emphasized the significance of Earth Day, stressing the urgency for collective action in safeguarding our planet. On April 26th, The National Testing Agency (NTA) announced the result of the JEE Mains examination, bringing forth a momentous occasion for RS Model Senior Secondary School. 5 exceptional students, namely Krish Kumar, Manmeet Singh, Jasmeet Singh, Sukhmanjeet Singh, and Sakshi, emerged as shining stars by securing prestigious ranks in the exam and booking a well deserved spot in the upcoming JEE Advanced examination. In recognition of their outstanding performance, Mr. Rakesh Jain, President School Managing Committee, felicitated the students with a cash prize of Rs 2,000 each. Principal Dr. Sanjeev Chandel extended his heartfelt congratulations to the students and their parents and expressed his best wishes for their continued success in their academic journey. In a progressive move towards enhancing the learning experience for students, RS Model Senior Secondary School has greenlit the installation of 5 cutting-edge interactive panels for science classes. This forward-thinking decision aims to revolutionize teaching methodologies and provide students with an engaging learning environment. Under the guidance of the school management, the science faculty has undergone comprehensive training to effectively utilize and familiarize themselves with the innovative system too. In alignment with the Jal Pakhwada initiative by the Government of India, RS Model Senior Secondary School dedicated a fortnight from 16 April to 30th of April to promote water conservation awareness among its students. Under the banner of Water Conservation Fortnight, a series of engaging activities such as pledges, poems, poster making competitions, skits, speeches, guest lectures, and rallies were organized. These activities aim to instill a sense of responsibility and educate students about practical measures they can take to conserve water in their daily lives and to become proactive guardians of our planet's most precious resource. Principal commended the School Eco Club for their proactive efforts in promoting water conservation and raising awareness among our students. That's all for April edition of RS News. See you soon with the next update. Till then, take care, stay healthy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.